Hello, and welcome back to the show. As you can hear, my voice is not the best. Hope you can hear me. And for that reason, my Soundman thought I have some medicine for you. An energy drink from Thailand, an original Red Bull, I think he told me. Interesting. If it helps my voice, perfect. But I don't think it will. On the contrary, I don't think. Let's see the color. Very yellow. It looks like a Red Bull, to be honest, just without the bubble that sparkles. Lovely. But it doesn't smell like a Red Bull. It almost smells like cough syrup. Then maybe this will work. Perfect. Lovely. Cheers. Oh. Well, this was weird. It tastes a little bit of some kind of chewing gum and a whole lot of something pharmaceutical. I have to taste it again. Cheers. No, no, no. The chewing gum taste is okay, but then some kind of pharmaceutical chemical hits you. But again, if it helps your voice, then go for it. Easy, small one. I'll be back in one of the next ones, hopefully soon. My soundman tells me I have to be better very soon, so I hope my voice will keep getting better. See you later. Have a good one. Bye.